Are you, or do you know someone who is stressed? Or perhaps, do you have trouble focusing or paying attention? Have you been diagnosed with ADD, ADHD? Do you have trouble with your memory? Have you had a concussion or traumatic brain injury, migraines, or perhaps had a stroke? Do you tend to have a short fuse and get angry easily? There is a safe and effective solution that many have found.
This form of therapy was huge in bringing down that level of anxiety in my brain, which I didn't realize was that high until after I started coming.
My name is Dallas Shepard, along with Shelley. We would like to introduce you to the wonderful and exciting world of low-energy neurofeedback, also known as lens therapy, here at the Harmonized Brain Centers.
At Harmonized Brain Centers, we can help you using state-of-the-art low-energy neurofeedback, or known as lens therapy.
Lens therapy is a safe, proven tool that can help many people of all ages with many types of neurological conditions. Your brain is like a computer. Right out of the box, it runs smoothly and efficiently. Viruses enter in. Life happens. Here at the Harmonized Brain Centers, we can help you reach your full potential.
I was bipolar and had had this condition for many years now, taking medication, and it was difficult. And then I hadn't been real happy. Seemed to let problems kind of build up, and as they do, you just would go into real depression. I knew I needed more help. Immediately could tell a difference, and the family could tell a difference. This is a great service. It'll help. It definitely helps.
This form of therapy was huge in bringing down that level of anxiety in my brain, which I didn't realize was that high until after I started coming. It helped me recognize the trap of the trauma. So once those levels of anxiety started coming down, it was as if my brain was decompressing, and it was doing this like a sigh of relief, and I actually felt it after, I think it was the 4th session, and it was amazing. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is actually helping. And from that point, it just continued to get better and better and better every time that I came, and I was just amazed at how differently I was thinking and how clearly I was able to think again.
Call us today to schedule your free consultation or to get started at 719-661-6422. At Harmonized Brain Centers, we believe
a harmonized brain equals a harmonized life.